I like to drive. I like to see everything moving. I like the hours because you work sometimes in the morning and the evening, so you have between the hours you have a lot of time at home. A home for me is where I am safe with my wife and with my children, and where I live my life. We have always lived in social houses here in Halle. I think Halle is my home.
It's been for 12 years or 13 years that I'm working in construction. Actually, it's a new experience to work with social housing companies and to work with private residents. You feel that you are really making a positive impact and participating really to make people's life better.
Voilà, on va montrer le grenier ici, ce qui a été fait. Voilà. Ici, tu peux monter pour regarder.
Before 2019, when I paid my bill from gas and electric, it was very expensive. And now this is the second year now that I pay less. I think it is good for my family, and it is also good for my wallet. But most of all, better for the planet.
When we are participating in making spaces better for people to live in, this is the most important thing. It impacts our way of life.